Eleyi Gbenutan o. Àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí tí wọ́n ń gba orílẹ̀-èdè Kútọnu wọlé sí Nàìjíríà báyìí o. Eléyìí wá jẹ́ ohun tó fà á tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pariwo olóyè Sunday Igboho kí o dákun dábọ̀ súré tètè gbà wá lọ́wọ́ ogun Fúlàní. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn tó ń tẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ báyìí wọ́n ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé orílẹ̀-èdè Benin Republic ni àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí yìí wọ́n ń gbà wọlé sí Nàìjíríà báyìí o. Eléyìí jẹ́ ohun tó ya ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn lẹ́nu gidigidi nítorí pé orílẹ̀-èdè Benin Republic pàápàá jùlọ bọ́dà Benin Republic jẹ́ bọ́dà tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn èèyàn ò lè wọlé bó ṣe wù wọ́n, ká má tí wàá sọ wípé àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí ni wọ́n wá ń gba ibẹ̀ wọlé. Eléyìí wá jẹ́ ohun tó ya ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn lẹ́nu. Ní báyìí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti pariwo síta Sunday Igboho dákun gbà wá o. Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ kíní yìí o, kò wá ń ṣeré mọ́ o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣẹ́yìn náà dẹ̀ ń rí tá bá ń pariwo Yorùbá nation no going back, àwọn kan máa sọ wípé ẹnu wa ń rùn. Ṣẹ́yìn náà dẹ̀ ti ń rí bó ṣe ń lọ báyìí. Orílẹ̀-èdè Benin Republic tó jẹ́ pé ó jẹ́ orílẹ̀-èdè tó jẹ́ pé o ò lè wọlé bó ṣe wọ̀n kí ló wá dé, báwo ni àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí ṣe wá ń gba ibẹ̀ wọlé báyìí. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation, no going back, exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. Onto this one reaching us, jihadists trooping into Nigeria through Benin Republic. A fresh study has uncovered substantial proof indicating that fighters associated with jihadist group from the Sahel area have made their way into Nigeria via the Benin Republic's border. Well, onto this, according to the news reaching us, the Klingendijk Institute at Dutch Research, and they have made it clear onto this one on Wednesday. Well, Melody News reports that this is a call for vigilance and an action by concerned stakeholders in Nigeria as the Sahel area has experienced a significant rise in acts of terrorism and then radicalism, especially in nations like Mali, Burkina Faso, and the Niger Republic. Well, meanwhile, the area shared by these countries, known as the tri-border region, has been particularly impacted with terrorist organizations such as Al-Qaeda and the Islamic State increasing their presence and launching assault on both government personnel and civilians. Moreover, the rise in military takeovers in recent years has exacerbated the situation of insecurity, with countries in West Africa distancing themselves from the US and France and seeking assistance from Russia. Meanwhile, Benin, which is adjacent to Nigeria, Niger Republic, and Burkina Faso, has also witnessed a rise in violent extremism in its northern areas. That violence has now seeped into Nigeria. The Klingendijk Institute said in its report. Well, meanwhile, the report indicates that banditry is on the rise again in the areas held by Jama Nusrat Islam, while Muslimin, a violent Islamic group, JNIM, is involved in militant activities and then appears to have ties with Nigeria. And then as it stands, the report further states that these extremists have established a presence in Kenji Lake National Park in Niger and the stakes of Kebbi. Well, evidence suggests this involves Sahelian extremists, likely JNIM. Another group would be Darul Salam, a group linked to Boko Haram, if not fully affiliated, with an open attitude towards bandits, the report noted. Meanwhile, bandits and then unidentified armed groups are known to move towards Kebbi State from Sokoto. It is alleged that these include various Darul Salam fighters with links to the Sahel, the Klingedal report added. However, it remains unclear what the motive of the Sahel extremists in the park is and then what their relationship with the armed groups there will be. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one that is actually reaching us. And then according to the news, jihadists trooping into Nigeria through Benin Republic. All right, and then now a lot of people do have actually reacted. Igboho, please don't leave us alone. Oh. We have been hearing this for a long time. They want to invade western part of Nigeria through Benin. Hazis, Yorubas, wake up, wake up, wake up. My brother, my sister, this is another strong one. I think everybody now is hearing what is going on. Everybody now is saying it. Upon all the hardship that has ravaged the country, one of the musicians said sometimes ago, she made it clear that why is it that they are still trying to buy us. We are talking about how we are going to get food for ourselves to eat, but now they are now adding buying into it. Baba God, waiting we do these people. That is why we have been shouting, hey, it is better we go our separate ways before it is too late. Hey, or else Yoruba nation is the answer, either they like it or not. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what the people have been talking about, though. Yes, so and then exactly what it is. Jehovah shall take care of them in favor of his children. That's exactly what had been said by Initiative. That's the name. Well, do we have government in Nigeria? Okay, yes, somebody's trying to make a sentence here. When Buhari was constructing railway road from Nigeria to Benin Republic, what do you think was his agenda? Okay, I never see anything. Okay, that's another one. Baba God help us. What Buhari never knew then was change is a constant thing. Nigeria can divide and then everyone go their way, which will leave Buhari and the Hausas to settle their Hausa self-created political greed war, and then their problem they will settle between themselves. All right, that's another one that has been said by Oracle. Yeah, my brother, my sister, this is no longer funny. Everybody needs to wake up. Yes, Benin Republic of all countries that I know Benin Republic is a safe place for all. It's not, their border is not a place whereby you can just penetrate in just like that. It's not like that of Nigeria. But now that it has gotten to this stage, what do you think is going to happen? Baba God, now your hand away there. Now it is now showing that everyone who is trying to travel through that route now is not going to have a peace of mind. Nobody is safe anymore. That's exactly what it is right now. Everybody needs to wake up. Yoruba nation is the only solution. We have said it times to that number. Majority of people, they will think we were just blabbing. Look at what is going on right now. Majority of people had actually thought that Benin Republic border would be a safer place, and I don't know what the government is actually doing towards this. This is a breaking news that everybody needs to tackle as fast as possible. Yes, a lot of people will say they want to travel to Benin Republic. Some people want to say they want to go to Ghana. That's the route they always follow. Yes, and then as it stands right now, my brother, my sister, it is now crystal clear that road is no longer safe for travelers. Baba God, now your hand with it. That's exactly what is actually reaching us, my brother, my sister. Onto this one, still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.